Hey, future homeowners, have you ever thought about buying a house but felt like you needed a PhD in finance to make it happen? Today, I'm going to show you how to save for a house in just 2 years. Yes, 2 years. And we're going to make it fun because who said saving money had to be boring? First, let's talk about the dreaded B word, budgeting. I know, but trust me, it's not as bad as it sounds. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. Get a notebook, an app, or an Excel sheet, whatever works for you. Write down everything. Yes, even that $5 latte or those late-night Amazon purchases. By the end of the month, you'll know exactly where your money is going. Now, let's set a savings goal. Say you want to buy a house for $300,000. Aim to save 20% for the down payment. That's $60,000. Divide that by 24 months, and you need to save $2,500 a month. Yeah, it's a big number, but don't freak out yet. We'll break it down into manageable steps. Next up, cut unnecessary expenses. Do you really need all those streaming services? Maybe trim it down to just one like Netflix. And those daily coffees? Try making your own at home. It's cheaper and you can impress your friends with your barista skills. Now let's make saving fun. Set up a savings challenge with friends or family. Whoever saves the most in a month gets a small reward, like a home-cooked meal from the losers. You'd be surprised how a little competition can get you motivated. Another awesome tip: automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account right after payday. That way, you won't even miss the money because it never hits your spending account in the first place. Also, look for ways to boost your income. Got a hobby like photography, baking, or writing? Turn it into a side hustle. It's a great way to make extra cash without feeling like you're working another full-time job. And don't forget to set mini milestones. Celebrate when you hit $5,000, $10,000, and so on. Treat yourself to a small reward each time, maybe a nice dinner out or a new book. It keeps you motivated and makes the journey enjoyable. Finally, keep your eyes on the prize, a new house. Visualize it, dream about it, and maybe even visit some open houses to keep that excitement alive. So, there you have it. Saving for a house in 2 years doesn't have to be a drag. With a budget, a plan, and a bit of creativity, you can totally make it happen. And remember, the journey is half the fun. Happy saving, future homeowners! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks to make adulting just a little bit easier. See you next time!